Hello. Croeso. Wpla bobiog tu.
You must remember this. A kiss is still a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental themes apply. Lazy moon, come out soon, make my poor heart beat warm. Light the way bright as day for my sweet little charmer. She's to meet me in the lane tonight. If the sky is bright and clear, oh moon, don't keep me waiting here tonight, watching and waiting, heart a palpitating, longing for my lady love so dear. Yeah. Lazy moon, why don't you show your face above the hill? Lazy moon, come out soon. You can make me happy if you will. Now when my lady sees your face a-peeping, that's when I know her promise she'll be keeping. Tell me what's the matter, are you sleeping?
Wel, am a ffordd anhygoel. Am ffordd anhygoel o ddechrau wpla dydd Mercher Mawrth yr ail ar 20. Croeso, welcome, it's a Tuesday. We've been listening to Nielsen, Smielsen, a little touch of Smielsen in the night. Fe glywsoch chi Lazy Moon. The publishers have no record of anybody ever recording it. But we, medden nhw, know Oliver Norville Hardy sang it in a movie in the 30s. Harry found it. It is most certainly 70 years old. Now, guess which movie? Ydych chi'n gwybod? Atebwch yn y blwch sylwadau ar waelod y fideo. If you know, please answer in the comment section. Now then. Oh, boys bach. Am ddiwrnod. Diwrnod da, ond emosiynol unwaith eto. Felly, gadewch i ni ddiolch. Gadewch i ni ddiolch i'r creawdwr yn dawel fach am ofalu ac am faddau ein camweddau. Mae gen i lot o CDs newydd i prynu nhw. Dyma un. Gadewch ni wrando ar hon, felly. Bydd eisiau symud y chwaraewr CD ymlaen. Symudwn ni bethau sydd angen i symud yn cynnwys yr hynna elwyr yn ymluniad a blas crunchies melys sydd yn mynd i gael canlyniadau andwyol. They will have detrimental effects on my body and possibly soul if I continue to eat as many crunchies as I am. Rydych chi'n gwrando ar Wpla Bobby Hope Do, rydyn ni'n mynd i roi y CD yma i fewn. Gewn ni ragor o Nielsen Smilson, neu wneud a touch of Smilson in the night. 50p dalas i am hwnna, 50 ceiniog. Dalas i 20 ceiniog am hon yn y siop Elusenne. Back to the Garden, 15 new tracks of the best new music. Mae e'n dweud, roswch lle mae'r... Mae o. So, da ni'n mynd i droi at random. Da ni ddim yn mynd i gael swffian, oherwydd mae hwnna dy fi'n barod. Dyma rhif 6. Houndstooth. A maen nhw'n canu am Borderlands. OK, dyna Houndstooth a chan o'r enw Borderlands. Dydyn ni ddim yn mynd i gadw ymlaen gyda hwnna. Oedd e'n dda, oedd e'n hoff. Digon di niwed, digon rhythmig. A does dim angen dweud rhagor nagos, really. Dwi ddim wedi clywed am Houndstooth o'r blaen. Dydyn nhw ddim yn cael credit ar flaen yr CDs sydd wedi dod o'r cylchgrawn uncut. Felly, da ni'n mynd i syth ymlaen at yr ail gan, oddi ar Smilson, a much recorded song and no wonder. Attention was paid to it by Burlington's Bertie's Banjo Band, Al Jolson, Tottenham Hotspur's Football Club, Knuckles O'Toole, Maurice Chevalier, and a score more. Felly,
what a beautiful day for a wedding in May. See the people all stare at the lovable pair. The bells are ringing for me.
ni'n stopio fe fyna am eiliad. Dyna mi yn mae gal. A dwi'n meddwl bod y caneuon yn llifo i mewn i'w gilydd fel petai. Dwi'n meddwl mai dyna beth sy'n digwydd. Mae'r caneuon yn llifo mewn i'w gilydd sydd yn hyfryd. A dales i 50 ceiniog am y record yma. Fedrwch chi gredu hwnna. Can you believe that I spent 50p for that record? But having said that, a fydd gen i amser i chwarae fe. Yn y dyfodol. Na, dyma'r tensiwn sy'n bodoli yn fy mywyd ar hyn o bryd. Ond, dwi dal yn eithriadol o hapus. Ifan Lewis, os wyt ti'n edrych ac yn gwrando, geidi hwn da fi os ti moyn e, geidi e. Os ti moyn e, geidi e. Os ti moyn e, geidi e. Ti moyn e, ma fe dati. Ma fe dati. Ti moyn e, ma fe dati. Ti moyn e, ma fe dati. Do you want it? You got it. Do you want it? You got it. A little touch of Smilson in the night. Mae'r ddwy gan gynta, For Me and My Girl, and My Gal, what a song. Gadewch ni glywed be maen nhw'n dweud. What do they actually say about this then? Come on, let's do this bilingually. And any moaners, I want you to remember, it's 50-50 in spirit, but not always in practical application. All right? All right? You got that now, have you? Let's have a CD cyn i ni rando ar ragor o Smilson. Dyma Mike Mills Presents. Ges I hwn am 20 ceiniog. I got this for 20p as well. Mike Mills Presents, a casgliad, a collection of best underground rock US classics featuring the other bands and they're there, plus exclusive REM live track. Let's wonder which song we'll have. We're going to press random. Ni'n mynd i wasgu ar hap. Ni wedi cael track. Now, dyma Pylon a Crazy. Sy'n dod i'r meddwl fyna, B-52s, a chydig bach o The Passions, dwi'n caru The Passions, so mae chydig bach o Barbara Gogan yn y llais, pan mae'n mynd yn uchel. Ac wrth gwrs R.E.M. Digon eironig, ynde? Eironig. Felly, pan mae can yn cael ei darfu arno, when a song is edited or cut from the programme, it means that it really hasn't got to me in a positive, mind-blowing manner. Felly, da ni'n mynd i symud ymlaen gyda Smilson. Sa'n gwybod pwy yw Pylon. Dwedwch wrth fi os ydych chi'n hoffi nhw. Dyma Smilson eto. Nielsen Smilson. A little touch of Smilson in the night. Whoops. Diwedd mi yn mae gael yw hwnna. So y gam nesa yw...
It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around and finally found somebody who could make me be true. Just to be sad, thinking of you. Some mothers I've seen. It had to be me. I'm 5'10", a man among men. You're 7'2", but with all your faults, it's you I adore. When you stand up, your hands touch the floor. It had to be me, unlucky me. Had to be me. I'll be loving you always, with a love that's true, always. When the things you plan need a helping hand, understand always, always. Days may not be fair, always. That's when I'll be there, always.
Okay, mae hwnna yn anffodus wedi mynd yn rhy felys. A trifle too much saccharine on that one. I'm afraid it's been cut. I hope you agree. Gobeithio bo chi yn cytuno. So, dyn ni'n mynd i symud ymlaen. Rydych chi'n gwrando ar rhyw plad bnawn dydd Mercher ar ôl ysgol te. Dyma amser te, a dyma'r chwildro tawel o'r Cylchgrawn Mojo. Ges i hwnna mi ceiniog. Gadewch ni weld pa gan sy'n mynd i cael ei ddewis ar hap. Just ymlacio, Hugh, just ymlacio. Mae popeth yn iawn. Ar hap felly, can rhif 3, dyma Diane Cluck. All I bring you is love. Reit, wel, mae hwnna wedi gorffen, o'n i'n mynd i gael gwared yn fe, ond gan fod e'n gymharol fyr, dyna oedd Diane Cluck. What did you think of that song? It reminds me of me in the study, moaning, playing a fairly random guitar riff, and going on and on and on. But thankfully, it was under 3 minutes, so we gave it the benefit of the doubt. Oh, mae Nielsen dal yn mynd.
Says you pay 6 to her. He says, Judge, suppose I fail. The judge says, budge right into jail. You better keep her. I think it's cheaper than making whoopee. Than making whoopee. Than making whoopee. You made me love you. Yes, you always knew it. You made me happy sometimes. You made me glad. But there were times, dear, you made me feel so bad. You made me sigh, for I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. I want some love that's true. Yes, I do. Indeed, I do. You know that I do. Give me what I cry for. You know you got the brand of kisses that I died for. You know you made me love you.
Hyfryd iawn, dyna wrth gwrs Nielsen yn canu Ffefrynnau, Making Whoopee a chan arall o'r enw, beth yw enw en? Gadewch ni weld. You Made Me Love You, wrth gwrs. Nawr, mae gen i dasg, so da ni'n mynd i symud ymlaen. Mae gen i dasg i'w orffen. Ni'n mynd i symud o'r chwildro trawel, The Quiet Revolution. A ar hwnna mae gen ti Kevin Ayres, Akron Family, Diane Cluck, newydd glywed hi, Vasti Bunyan, Pentangle, Woven Hand, Sheila MacDonald, James Yorkston, Josephine Foster, John and Beverly Martin, Bert Jans, Espers. Ydy Espers yn dod o Gymru? Sgwnni. Pwy arall? Pete Brown and Piblocto, and Sweet Billy Pilgrim. Stars Spill Out of Cups. Wel, dim heddiw, dydyn nhw ddim. Ni'n symud ymlaen ar CD. Un arall o'r enw Hard Drive. This one's called Hard Drive. It's from the Uncut magazine. And we're going to go, it cost me 20p, remember. Very little cost. It all goes to a good cause. Charity shops. A Hard Drive yw CD sydd yn dewis y gerddoriaeth poetha. Y gerddoriaeth newydd boethaf. The hottest new music. Y gerddoriaeth newydd boethaf. The music is feminine. The feminines like to change things around. So, poeth goes to boeth when you put y gerddoriaeth o'i flaen e, neu o flaen hi. Y gerddoriaeth boeth. Say after me, the hottest. The hot music. Y gerddoriaeth boeth. So mae gynnon ni cymysgedd fan hyn. Rhif 9 yw Ed Harcourt. Wow. The Birds Will Sing For Us. Dwi'n hoffi Ed Harcourt. 13 mae fel FA Cup semi-final draw. Mrs Morgan, rhif 13. Buzzcocks, number 18, Useless Situation. A My Morning Jacket, Death Is The Easy Way. Gadewch ni weld pa gan sy'n cael ei ddewis. Rhif 4 yw hwnna. A mae rhif 13 wedi dod. So, Go-Betweens o Australia yn canu Mrs Morgan.
Mrs. Morgan's neighbors have finally had enough, 'cause she's been telling fortunes and now she's called their bluff, 'cause no one likes their secrets walking around the town, and everyone's defeated as the light just shivers down. She never wanted to see the rain. She never wanted to see the rain. It's an easy, greasy Sunday. The dew's still on the lawn. A plane is writing letters. People, you've been warned. And the neighborhood is praying. Now the secret's been revealed. And Mrs. M keeps saying, there's one thing you can't steal. She never wanted to see the rain. She never wanted.
Efallai bod hwnna braidd yn llym. That could be a little bit harsh on the Go-Betweens, ond rhwng chi a fi, well da fi y Triffids yn heb os na goni bai, without a shadow of a doubt, more doubt, it's time for Triffids instead of Go-Betweens yn fy marn i. Mae yna rhywbeth rhy saff, rhy geidwadol, rhy di-fflach, rhy un dyn a gitar i gyfeiliant band i hwnna. Does dim digon o bethau diddorol yn digwydd yn y gân. Nawr, mae ddewch i fi am ddweud fy marn yn blwmp ac yn blaen, ond mae rhaid i fi fod yn onest. Ac os oes un dyn gyda gitar, gyda band, mae rhaid i'r llais fod yn afeilgar ac o fewn profiad emosiwn. Peintio gyda rhifau ydy hwnna, neu os gai awgrymu, mynd o ddot i ddot yn ôl trefn rhifolion arferol. Cytunwch efo fi, neu anghytunwch. Croeso i chi wneud. Fade Files the Afternoons. Rhowch padi i mi unrhyw amser. Y dail, rhowch y dail i fi unrhyw amser dros The Go-Betweens. Diolch yn fawr. So ni'n mynd i gael mwy o Smilson, ni'n mynd i gael record arall. Beth am i ni gael rhywbeth arall y brynwyd? Felly, trio gorffen tasg arall. Nid wyf yn gallu gwneud 17 peth yr un pryd. Mae record hynny yn record arbennig. Mae yna glawr ffantastig iddi. A pan fyddai'n teimlo'n smiltsi, neu'n smiltsi, Ifan Lewis, os ti eisiau fe, i ti mae e, okay? Wbla Bobby Hoc, dwi'n hapus i chi. Gadewch i ni weld beth arall sydd gen ni. Oes rhaid fi gael CD aml gyfrannog arall? Na i ddangos nhw i chi. 20 ceiniog am CD double The Boat That Rocked. gyda chan newydd sydd ddim ar yr albums, mae'n debyg, neu falle bod ar yr ail album, gan Duffy o gan Torres o Gymru. Dyma hi yn canu, mae ar rif un. Dyma hi'n canu Stay With Me Baby.
Where did you go when things went wrong, baby? Who did you run to find a shoulder to lay your head upon? Oh, wasn't I there? Didn't I take good care of you? Oh no, I can't believe you're leaving me. Stay with me, baby. Stay with me, baby. Please stay with me, baby. I can't go on.
Dwi methu chwaith, sorry Duffy, dwi just ddim yn gallu mwynhau hwnna. Mae'n mynd nôl at be o'n i'n dweud am rifau yn dydi. Reit, dyma'r nesaf, dyma Leaders of the Pack. Dwbl 20 ceiniog am 2 CD, menywod o'r 60au yn canu. Gadewch ni ddewis un, nid rif un, oherwydd mae rhaid ni gael yr hyn fotwm i weithio. We have to get this button to work. Come on, here we go, it's number 20. Pa un yw hwnna? It's the Crystals, Da Do Ron Ron.
I made him on a Monday and my heart stood still. Do-do run, 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 do-do run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Do-do run, 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 do-do run, run. Yes, my heart stood still. Yes, his name was Bill. And when he walked me home, do-do run, 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 do-do run, run.
OK, dyna ddigon o hwnna hefyd. Chi wedi chlywed i o'r blaen, pam fod angen i mi i chwarae. Oes, dwi wedi gwrando ar yr 5 munud ar 20 eiliad cynta a mae yn iawn. Dyma un arall, 20 ceiniog am The Best of Rock and Roll Love Songs. Here we go. Dwi ddim wedi clywed rhaid, mae rhaid yn dod o'r 50au a'r 60au. Gadewch disg un yw hwn, pwy gawn ni sgwni? A gawn ni Roy Orbison yn canu Pretty Woman. Neu a gawn ni Bobby Vinton yn canu Blue Velvet. Gadewch ni weld be pa un ni'n mynd i gael. Ni'n mynd i gael rhif 10, Crazy, Patsy Cline, Not Off, Oopla.
Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering What in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
Wel, oedd hwnna, mae rhaid i fi ddeud, yn gosod fy rhagfarn yn ei le. Dyna i chi, fydden ni byth yn dewis, fel arfer, gwrando ar unrhyw gan o'r enw Crazy gan Patsy Cline. Ond, rydw i'n ddiolchgar fy mod i. Oedd hwnna yn glasur. Dwi wedi clywed i o'r blaen, ond mae clywed yr hi-hat, y llinynau, y piano, a'r llais ar ben hwnna. Yr union be o'n i'n dweud ynglyn â'r caneuon blaenorol, pan mae gynnwch chi lais fel na, a falle mae dyna lle dwi wedi mynd yn wrong, boys. Ond roedd hwnna yn ysgubol. Nawr te, diolch yn fawr, hwnna yw'r gorau hyd yn hyn, a mae e'n rhoi fi yn fy lle. Mae e'n rhoi fi yn fy lle. It puts me firmly in my place. I am a opinionated, prejudiced, deaf appreciator of music. Prejudice. George Michael dwedodd, ynde? Listen without prejudice, Bobsy. So dyma pam dwi'n neud hwn. Dyma pam dwi'n neud e. This is why I'm doing it. To listen without prejudice. Diolch. 17. Tracks compiled by R.E.M. again. Jimmy Smith. Organ Grinders Swing. I'm going to dry off. Don't worry, I'm not turning it off. Just asking you to listen. Gwrandwch ar y gitar yna. Gwrandwch ar y drums. Gwrandwch ar y bass. Os rhywbeth arall na? Os na organ yna hefyd? Mae e just yn hollol anhygoel. Dwi'n chwarae hwrein yn uchel. Mae nhw'n wych. Mae hwn yn 10 ceiniog gorau dwi wedi gwario ar un CD erioed. wedi cyrraedd 2 funud 47 eiliad, a dwi'n dechrau simsanu mymryn, ond petawn ni yn y clwb yn gwrando ar hwn, fydden ni eisiau fe i gario ymlaen am byth. Ydy e'n cario ymlaen am byth? Gawn ni glywed. I've just said, I'd love this. If I was in the club listening to this, I'd love it to carry on forever. But some things don't last forever. Y broblem yw, dydw i ddim yn y clwb. Dwi adre, a dwi eisiau symud ymlaen. Cos oedd hon yn fyw, oedd e'n y clwb. Mae R.E.M. yn amlwg wedi gweld, clywed, a phrofi hwn pan oedden nhw'n iau. Mae gen i agweddau dadleuol iawn. Mae gen i safbwyntiau dadleuol iawn ynglyn â holl bwrpas cerddoriaeth yn yr 20fed ganrif a'r 11fed ganrif ar 20. A'i rhith yw'r cyfan, a'i twyll yw'r cyfan i guddio gwirioneddau. Wel, gadewch ni glywed beth sgwennodd J.S. Bach. A hefyd dyma ni. Dyma St Matthew Passion. ddweud. Mae side 1 yn cynnwys dechrau rhan 1. Ni newydd glywed y chorus, Come ye daughters, share my mourning. The recitative, when Jesus had completed all these sayings. Chorale, O blessed Jesus, how hast thou offended? A dwi ar goll. Ydyn ni wedi clywed hwnna nawr? Mae rhaid ni rand ar hwn eto, so ar y fideo nesaf dwi'n mynd i chwarae St Matthew's Passion gan J.S. Bach. Rydych chi wedi gwrando ar Oopla Bobby Hawk Do Baby yn gwrando heb ragfarn.